Hey, in this video I will show you how can you upload images in Django. You can upload images through admin interface. So in this video I will show you step by step. And before start, remember one thing, every image or media file has an unique URL. So you have to set this URL pattern, otherwise it will not work. Don't worry, I will show you step by step. So just follow the tutorial. So at first create a Django project and the Django application. Now go to project and go to settings.py. Here just install the application. Okay. Now go to urls.py. Here include the path for app. So just include the path. So just now copy it and paste here. And this path is for the landing page. Now include app.urls. Okay. Now go to application. Here just create a file named urls.py. Okay. Now here you have to import also include. Now just copy this and go to urls.py. Here paste and just remove it and remove it and also remove the include. Now go to views.py. Here define a index function, def index. It will take request argument at first and now return and render to index.html, and the template name is index.html. Okay. Now go to urls.py at the applications. Here just import the view. So here from dot import views. Okay. Now this is for the landing page. So just give the function name views.index. Okay. Now go to application and create here a folder named templates. Okay, so now create a HTML file index.html. Now go to Bootstrap and go to getting started and copy the starter template. Paste here. Okay. So now if you run the server, now run the localhost hello world, it will work. Now go to models.py. Here create a model for image. So just type class image and then type models.model. Inherit from models.model. Okay. Now create a variable named caption. Caption equal what? Models.character field. Okay, and max length equal 50. Now create a variable image equal models.image field. Okay. Now type the parameter upload to. And upload to what? Upload to img/%y. %y for year and %m for month. This will auto completed by Django. Okay. Now type the str function and it will take self argument and return self.caption. Okay. Now go to admin.py. Here at first import the model from .models import image model. Okay. So now register the image model. So admin.site.register image. Okay. So now go to settings.py. Here you have to create a media root and media URL. So now type the media URL media underscore URL. Remember, it is in capital. Okay. So what is the media URL? Is media. Now type the media root. Media underscore root equal os dot path dot join. Now type the tuple base dir. Base dir means the directory of manage.py, and then type the media. Please add a slash after media. Now go to urls.py in the project. Here you have to import the settings and the static. So just type from django.conf import settings. From django.conf import settings. Now you have to import the static from django.conf.url.static. So just type from django.conf.url.static import static. Now here you have to add the URL pattern with the media URL. Now type if settings dot debug, then URL pattern plus equal static, and then type settings dot media URL, media underscore URL, and then type comma, and then type document root, document underscore RWT, document root equal settings dot media root, settings dot media underscore RWT. Okay, media root and media URL is already defined in settings.py. You have to add this because every media or image has an unique URL. Okay, so now save it. Go to views.py in the application. Here at first you have to import the model. So just type from dot model import image model. Now here create a variable name pic equal image dot objects dot all. Now pass the Django variable pics. Okay, so now go to index.html. Here create a container class. Now create a for loop for grabbing the all picture. So just type for x in pic and then end the for loop at first. Now go to the bootstrap. Here is a responsive image, so you can copy it. So just paste here, and the source of the image is what? This is the URL of the image. Okay, so just type x dot and now go to models, x.image.url. so just go to index.html. so the URL of the image is x.image.url. image is the field in model and URL is the URL of image. Now give a caption for the image. So just create a para tag with lead class. Now just type the Django variable x.caption. Caption is a field in model. Okay. Now here just give a HR tag. Okay. So now run the server. Now go to the browser, type the localhost and go to the admin here image is the field, and now add image. So just type the caption test1, choose the file, save and add another. So just type test2, choose the file, save and add another. Now type test3, choose the file, save and add another. Now save it. Now go to the landing page. Okay, here is all the image. Okay, in this video I show you how to upload the image by an admin interface. So this is a bootstrap. You can copy the class name and here you can paste inside the class name. So just go to the localhost and refresh it. Here it is. Okay, this is not image fluid, so just change it to image and dash fluid. Okay, so now you can resize the all of images, so it's up to you how you can design it. Okay, so in this video I just show you how you can upload the image by an interface, by an admin interface. So thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video.